Hello, welcome to the vlog. It's Monday. It's Monday. Oh, the washing machine's about to go dead loud, so I've been debating all morning whether to go and do a run. I've just done my yoga and she kind of kicked my ass today. I keep meaning to go for a run, it's just, I don't know if I care. I don't know if I care enough. I do enjoy it, it's just it's freezing at the moment. It's slippy underfoot. I'm just making excuses, but it's also raining and I do like a jog in the rain. I don't know if I care. I don't know if I'm doing this to like lose weight or actually gain fitness, so I don't know. I've done my yoga, I'm not doing it today. Thank you for helping me make that decision. Hello, so in last week's vlog I said I'd make peanut butter cups, vegan peanut butter cups to be exact, and I didn't do that, so I thought I'd show you how to do it today. Let's get started. Hello, so this recipe I got from a girl on Instagram called Rachel. Hello, don't know if you watch my vlogs. It's really easy, like really simple, and all you'll need is 2 bars of chocolate. I have Cadbury's Bourneville, smooth peanut butter, some vanilla extract, don't know why that's not focusing, salt, and some icing sugar. So to start, you're gonna break up your chocolate bar and melt it. I like to get a pan of boiling hot water and then put a bowl on top, and I don't know why I'm explaining how to make peanut butter cups. Hello, sorry I look a bit like an egg. My camera cut me off yesterday when I was making my peanut butter cups, so I just wanted to show you. I'm about to do my yoga. Hello boobsies. Excuse our messy fridge, but there they are. You just melt the chocolate and then mix up the rest of the ingredients, which is just like the peanut butter. You melt the chocolate, put a layer down, put peanut butter down, and then top it with chocolate, and then refrigerate it for half an hour. Job done. I'm gonna do my fucking yoga in this tiny space now. Hello, I have just cooked dinner and I get very stressed when I cook, and I always make my food very, very hot. There you go, there's my vegan enchiladas and all the rest, some kind of cashew cream stuff. Yeah, that's mint. I just really hate cooking, I won't lie. This lighting's so horrid in this kitchen. I'm just really sick of this fat at the moment. Why am I in such a tizzy? And the battery's running out on this camera. Shush. Hello. I tried to give a smile, but I don't know if you can tell how dark it is. Like, I think the sensors on this camera are making it look a lot brighter than it is, but it's not even 3 o'clock and it is so dark, so miserable. It's so minging out there. I'm so over it. I've spent all morning trying to film a little makeup video for Instagram. I know you shouldn't make things for Instagram, but I just wanted to, like, you know, show the world how I put a face on when I feel like shit. And it was all going well. Did it to So Sad, So Sexy by Licky Lee because I wanted to be cool, like the kids, you know. And yeah, the quality was really lowered. It just looked like shit. I'll be honest, it looked like shit. And then, you know, when you start self-doubting everything and you're like, everything I do is shit, my skin's awful, which it is. Oh, I'm just trying not to fall into that trap of like hating myself, which is very often. I don't know what's going on with my hair either. It's fine. Still, it's sat really weird. What are you doing, Lid? Why are you sat like that? But yeah, I really need to crack on. I've got a video coming out at 4, which is in like an hour, and I've not done like the thumbnail or out. Being on the internet's fucking hard, I tell you that. It's hard. Even doing this, I don't know where to look. I keep looking there when I meant to look here, because I keep looking at my fucking wrinkly forehead. We're not going to do this, we're not going to do this. I'm so sick of the weather. This has been the longest month ever, hasn't it? Said everyone ever. It's just, obviously, I thought, oh, lockdown, I'll get to do the things that I want to do, like my running in the last lockdown. I really smashed that. But now I can't even be asked to move. I think I'm going to do my work and then watch Drag Race, because I watched the first episode of the UK one, season 2, yesterday, and it was sick, and I need to actually watch like the last 3 seasons of the American one. That's a lot to catch up on, so I better go. Bye. It's snowing again. Whoa. We're gonna go stand on the fresh snow. Stand on the snow. Ooh. Whoa. Let's write a message. It's so snowy. You making a snowman? Wrote shit in the snow. What are you making? House. Oh. I might make a butt plug. Here we have some lovely art by Emily, aged 4. And what do we have here from Jack Jones? What is it?
It's a bit of warm, doesn't it?
It's a bit wet. There's a little Snuggles. What's with the hands? Bye, Emily.
Yeah.
I don't know why I've gone for that lighting. Hello. That's even worse. Let me turn round for you. Hello. We went for a walk today. It's Thursday, so it was big cleaning day. I'm a big tidy. And Manchester, South Manchester, where I live, is flooded. And the park was like really overflowing with water. Kind of scary, really. Yeah, I did my makeup. Look at that blend. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you my skin, because obviously I feel like this part of my skin looks like chef's kiss, but like I've got these spots here and like all along my jawline which are really painful, and the ones on my neck still there. I don't even bother covering them ones. Dermatico making my skin a lot worse. I pray that it gets better, because some nights I can take it and then some nights I get into bed after taking everything off and I'm like I keep spending so much time on my phone just scrolling. Like I find it really hard. Like I've been saying, right, I got given this book at Christmas and it's Patti Smith and I've not started it. I've said that I'm gonna start it, but I keep getting distracted by my phone. So I'm thinking of like doing like a Pomodoro technique where I read my book for like 20 minutes, have a break and go on my phone for like 5 minutes, because there's no stopping me, and then go on my phone for go read my book for 20 minutes, phone 5, book 20, phone 5. Yes, lockdown is as I said, every week very long. Oh god, the cat just zoomed up. Lockdown's very long now. I'm getting very bored of it. But yeah, what can you do? Apparently it's meant to last till the end of March. I'm just going to show you Stella because she's being weird. What are you doing? Oh, she looks so grand there. I'm gonna read my book.
In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can do it again.
Can't stop now.
Can't stop now.
I've travelled too far.
I've traveled too far to
change
this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. Why won't you show me? Stella's not impressed.
Hiya, I've just filmed this little look. I had to change what I was wearing because I look like an ugly stepsister. But I'm very sick of my own voice. It was a favourites video and I don't think it went as well as my video the other day because I was just getting really hot and angry and mad at people for making noises. It's just living in lockdown in a small flat with like no room to go to your own little space. Like I've got the living room but everyone is in and out, so I just get really angry at everyone because I just want a little small amount of time to make my videos where everyone's quiet. And if it's not my flatmates, it's downstairs, it's the main road. I'm just, you know, when you're just like really pissed off at everything. and I don't know if I like my makeup because I look a bit like an ugly stepsister. So yeah, gonna go to Asda, get some stuff to make tea because it's my turn. I'm making Italian. I've realised that I've kind of gone for a very Italian flag almost look. So yeah, gonna make spaghetti bog. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Just need to stop getting so stressed. And I'm gonna watch Drag Race because I've not watched the latest episode. So yeah. It's snowing again. Look at that. Probably won't stick because Manchester's absolutely flooded. Hello. I'm feeling very dried out this morning. I had red wine last night and it always makes me feel like an absolute prune in the morning. I was going to walk to work today, but it's now snowing and I don't know if I want to do that. I just feel drained. I need to do my yoga. Oh, I just don't have much to say. I saw this thing the other day that was like, lockdown 1 was doing runs, going for walks, making bread. Lockdown 2 was Netflix and eating, and then lockdown 3 is just surviving. Very true. I'm so over it now. Just like, I think it's just the weather mainly. Like if it was spring, I think I'd enjoy it more, but I have not been for a run at all, and it's the, what day is it today? 23rd. So I might try again in Feb, I think. I mean, the weather's probably not going to be better then, but at least it'll be my birthday month. I'm going to go. Goodbye. Look at the little sleepy, snuggly baby. She's kept me sane over this last lockdown. Hello, I'm just doing some fake tan. I have not done it in like since August, and I just thought why not bring a bit of sunshine to this horrid January that we're having. It's still so grim outside, so yeah, just thought I'd get nice and tan. Hopefully it's not. I thought it'd hide some of my spots, but it won't. We're gonna watch Drag Race. Hello, I'm very tanned. Look at me. Kind of love it because it makes me feel like I've got a bit of colour in my face. I've got so much to do today. It's a Sunday. I've not done our family quiz, and that's very soon. I need to finish editing a video. I need to edit the vlog, which there's not really that much of. Been a snowy week, that's my excuse. And I wanted to film something for Instagram, so maybe I could incorporate that into my getting ready thing. And I also need to do my yoga. Me and Jack did a Zoom last night with his friends and I drank like 4 Stellas, so I feel very dry this morning. I need to do it, I need to go. Hello. I have filmed this little look for Instagram. I'm very tanned on the video that I've filmed. I don't know if I actually look... What is that lash? Why is that? That is the worst stuck on lash I've ever seen. I don't know, I think I look kind of healthy. I'm just debating whether on my video that I posted that I look like an umplumper. You can see it on my hands. We're just getting ready for our quiz. Look at me in the greenery. And yeah, just gonna eat some food. It's just a Sunday. Gosh, yeah. What do you think you're doing on the table? Look your baby. Hello. So we've just done our quiz. Look at that nice painting. I've had a glass of wine. Jack's making fajitas and shouting, and it's just been a nice little Sunday after all the stress of putting a quiz together. And I just came on because I can't tell you how much I'd love a cig. I don't smoke anymore. I use Jack's vape every now and again, and yeah, I'd love a cig. I'd fully love a cig right now. Get through this. Yeah, I used to smoke. I think I got into it because I used to work at a pub and it was the only way of getting a break. And then I used to smoke throughout uni, and then now I love a cig when I've had a drink, and I've had a drink. Oh, hello, Bruisies. Hey, girl. Yeah, I just want a cig. I'm fucking gasping for a ciggy. We'll get through it. We move.